Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. So I am here to do a home haul for you. I have been getting a little bit mad lately. As you know, I keep talking about the fact that we are going to be moving very shortly. Not very shortly, we've not even got the house on the market, but we are going to be moving this year. It is a definite. So I've been buying things. Troy's behind me now. No good deal. So I've been buying things for the home for now and things for a new house, because I keep saying this but my mind literally keeps changing about what I want in a house. So how my home is now I wouldn't have in the new house. My taste has very much changed. So I've got quite a few different places to show you. The first thing is not very home weary, but I thought I would show you it because it is technically for the home. It's from Amazon and it is the Pinch of Nom recipe book. So this is the 100 Slimming Home Styled Recipes. Now I really like the idea of having a pantry, and I've recently, after lockdown, got more into cooking from scratch and things rather than just quick boring meals. I did my research because I am quite a picky eater and so is Anthony. So these recipes honestly are just like they say, home style recipes. They are things like everybody in the UK likes. This is like £9.99 I think. It does say it's £20 down to £9.99, but I've only ever seen it at £9.99. And I am very excited. I've already gone through it and like picked out some recipes and I just need to mark the pages. Okay, so I went to Primark a few weeks ago, if you saw my video, and I actually picked up these pillar candles. So I've got a big one and a smaller one, and these are usually like much more expensive no matter where you go, either if it's IKEA or H&M Homes where I usually buy them from. So the big one was £1.50 and the small one was only £1. And I have two lanterns actually that at the moment don't have candles in them. They have fake ones in them, and I do prefer the look of actual candles. So pick these up. I haven't put them in the lanterns yet just because I wanted to film this video first. So I have got some bits here to show you from H&M Home, but I'm actually first going to talk to you about a few things I have received over the last few months. Like, I've been buying bigger things that when we move to a new house I'm not having to spend loads of money all at once on all these things I want. So things like this floor lamp, I'm going to have to put it here to show you because unfortunately I got it out of the box, put it together and then put it back in the box because we're not using it in this house. There's no way for it, because I did buy another just table lamp instead of a floor lamp. So this floor lamp was from Iconic Lights. It was on offer when I bought it. And I also had like 20% off, so I got free delivery as well. So that's why I'm buying things that when they go on sale, so it's cheaper. So this thing is just like going to go into storage for now, but I don't know what I can say about it because I haven't seen it in like a week now. But I really like this, the big bendy arm of it. So the other thing was this mirror. I actually received it for a birthday present. I mean, I didn't receive it for my birthday. We pre-ordered it, Anthony pre-ordered it for me, so it only came in like March. It is a winter style mirror and it is very big. It's still in its box downstairs and it's so hard to put away, but it's really not for this house again. It's a piece that I'm saying when I go and look at other houses, I'm looking for a spot for this mirror. I've wanted a mirror like this for ages, and again it was on offer, so we bought it and I absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the H&M Home things. H&M Home is literally my favourite place to buy all sorts of homeware stuff, and I'm going to start off by doing the most boring thing, and that is pillowcases. So we've got a new bed recently. This is from Arista Living and it is a custom made bed. So I chose the headboard myself, chose the colour, the fabric, the storage, so it is an ottoman bed as well, and the size, you literally design it yourself, so I love it. And my bedding at the moment is all like beige, and I am moving from beige to like white. For now I've just got these are just beige boring pillowcases, very basic, and it was like £1.99 or £2.99 something like that for each of these, so I bought two. This thing I bought ages ago. I actually bought this for, if you sign up to H&M member, you get, is it 25% off on your birthday? So this is what I bought with that 25% off. And I really do like this. Like, matte black is my thing at the minute. I am loving it, as you can tell from both the lamp and the mirror. So it is just a hook system, but I thought this was really nice. I think it's rather heavy. Is it iron? Very basic, but I did just really like this. It was my favourite thing at the time on their website. So I am picturing this new bedding for a new house, and I wanted a little accent pillow with, like, that was a bit funky, that went with the boring basic bedding. And I obviously didn't look at the measurements because I ended up with a normal sized pillowcase. Love this design. What is it, like Aztec, I think that's what it is. It's got tassels in all four corners of it, and I loved it, but I did think it was like a smaller version of this size. We have got a chair in our back room that is like a conservatory chair, so Anthony actually pointed out that this would be a good cushion to put on that. So now we need a separate cushion. This, I remember, was, I believe it was like $8.99, and I just loved it. I'm gutted that the sizing isn't right though, because now I'm still on the lookout for an accent pillowcase. This box that you see here is a decorative piece, now to get it out without getting everything everywhere. So you can really see a theme I'm going for, I think, with this new house. Everything is beige, and I really like that style at the moment. This is why this hasn't been put in this house yet, because this doesn't go with the house I have at the moment, so I haven't used it, and it's really, really sad. But I can't wait to put something green in him, and he'll have funky green hair. I love the face prints. They are literally everywhere. I've got this in like a t-shirt style, and everybody has this. Literally everybody on Instagram, YouTube has had this, and they look brilliant. So I know H&M Home have this size and then a taller one. I'm so glad I did go with this one because I prefer this one. This was something like $12.99, maybe a bit more, maybe about £15. But I absolutely love it. Again, absolutely gutted that I'm still not using it, and that coronavirus has put the idea of us moving house back. I mean, the house would have been up for sale by now. Now, the last thing is very exciting. I've wanted one for ages. I keep looking around for one, and it is, again, this Aztec style rug. So this was, so I actually measured this one because I've had a rug before and I didn't measure it and it ended up being tiny, so now I use it in front of my fireplace and it literally just fits there perfectly. But I wanted a bit of a bigger one that would go either in a bedroom at the like end of your bed, or under a coffee table in the like living room. So that's my thought for this. I'm not quite sure, it depends on whichever house we get. But I had 20% off for spending so much money on H&M Home, and I also had a £3 off for some other promotion. So this ended up coming in quite cheaply. I only think I paid about 28, 27 maybe, £26 for it. I don't know. I'll put it on screen because I really can't remember. I can't remember how much it was up for. It was around 39, I think it was up for. So, like I said, I am buying things when they're on offer or I have some sort of promotion, because it does come in so much cheaper. If I was to wait when we had a house and we had to buy everything all at once and everything was full priced, I'm just trying to save money. And luckily this bed being an ottoman bed means I can put things under it, store them away and not have to see them until we move house, so I can still be excited for them when we do move house and I finally get these out. And that is it for my haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.